What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 4 breaks for you tonight. But first, 2 bad break drawings for Wednesday night's breaks, giving away 2 $10 promo codes. Here we go. First drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first winner is Robert R. Second drawing, number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Paul B. We'll start tonight with the Tier 1 baseball. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here's the roster for the Tier 1. Alright, good luck everybody. Up first up for the Pirates, Garrett Cole, game used patch. 211 out of 399. Pirates going to Robert R. On card autograph for the Mets, Dilson Herrera. 204 out of 349. Mets going to Ashley. And on card autograph for the Rangers, Juan Gonzalez. 136 out of 299. Rangers going to Joshua W. Yeah, that'll do it for the Tier 1. Up next we have the Immaculate Football. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, good luck everybody. Up first for the Jags, Allen Robinson, on-card rookie auto patch, 30 out of 80. Jags going to Paul B. Jumbo game used patch for the Titans, Nate Washington, 4 out of 10. Titans going to Donald. On-card autograph, 3-color patch for the Bills, Fred Jackson, 17 out of 60. Bills going to Fred P. Game used patch for the Seahawks, Richard Sherman, 21 out of 25. Going to Brian N. Jumbo rookie patch for the Bengals, A.J. McCarron, 2 out of 20. Bengals going to Billy. The on-card autograph, Jumbo 3-color patch for the Chiefs, Jamal Charles, 5 out of 49. Congratulations, Randy. And that will do it for the Immaculate. Up next, we have the 2013 Limited. This one is a divisional break. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Spotlight rookie, spotlight for the Browns, Brandon Weeden, 41 out of 49. Going to Randy. For the Packers, 1 of 1. Brett Favre. There's the 1 of 1 emblem. Very cool. Packers going to Paul B. Congratulations, Paul. Mark Sanchez, Marshall Faulk. Rookie quad patch for the Saints, Kenny Stills, 23 out of 99. Going to Paul. Game use patch for the Chiefs, Eric Berry, 18 out of 99. Another one for you, Paul. Monikers autograph for the Jets, Jeremy Curley, 16 out of 25. Jets going to Gary. This will be a 4th bonus hit. This one going to the Bills, Dual jersey number patch, CJ Spiller, 23 out of 25. Bills going to Gary. And now we'll finish up with the Topps Prime, another divisional break. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pierre Thomas, Sheldon Richardson, Phillip Rivers, Kenny Stills, Randall Cobb, Terrence West, EJ Manuel, Matt Forte, Matt Ryan, Bishop Sankey, Jordy Nelson, Martavis Bryant, Troy Polamalu, T.Y. Hilton, Jamal Charles, Kendall Wright, Kelvin Johnson, rookie copper parallel for the Niners, Carlos Hyde to 350, going to Paul. Alex Smith, Clay Matthews, Mike Wallace, RG3, autograph rookie variation of Michael Sam, that'll go to Rams. So Paul, you're getting that one. And Blake Bortles. Tom Savage, Julian Edelman, Andrew Luck, rookie quad patch, or no, second year quad patch, excuse me, for the Bengals, Giovanni Bernard. Another one for you, Paul. Jimmy Graham, Jay Cutler, Torrey Smith, Brandon Marshall, Larry Fitzgerald, Taj Boyd, Ray Rice, Jordy Nelson, Wes Welker, Frank Gore, Kiko Alonso, Clanton Dix. A.J. McCarron, Marshawn Lynch, T.Y. Hilton, rookie 3-color patch for the Cardinals, Logan Thomas, going to Paul. Trey Mason, Colin Kaepernick, Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie dual patch for the Niners, Carlos Hyde, 57 out of 75, going to Paul. Deshaun Jackson, Navarro Bowman, Eli Manning, Tom Brady, Adrian Peterson, and Devontae Freeman. That will do it for tonight's breaks. We're back at it tomorrow with some Topps finest football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.